Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust a chainsaw bar oiler. The bar oiler provides the bar oil to lubricate your chainsaw's bar. It's driven by the drive shaft and pumps oil to the side of the bar where there's a hole in the bar that allows the oil into the groove, and the chain disperses the oil all around the bar. If your chainsaw is putting out too little or too much bar oil, the problem may be a bar oiler that's not adjusted properly. Now, not all chainsaws have adjustable bar oilers. How can you tell if your saw does? Well, you'll want to look on the bottom of the saw. The bar oiler adjustment screw will be located on the bottom of the saw. There'll be a hole through the frame, and you use a screwdriver to adjust the bar oiler. If you're not getting any oil on the bar at all, or too little, try increasing the flow on the pump. If it's putting out too much oil, you can turn it down. Let's look at what a difference this adjustment can make. I'll start with the oiler turned all the way down. You can see the line of oil that was put out onto the bench. Now I'll run the saw with the oiler all the way open for comparison. You can see with the pump all the way open, quite a bit more oil is left on the table. The purpose of the adjustable bar oiler is to allow the saw to pump more oil when using a longer bar. So if your saw isn't pumping out enough or any oil at all, before replacing the pump, first check to see if it has an adjustable bar oiler.